3 years ago, I produced a video about how I mount cameras to my motorcycle and capture footage while riding. I was riding a Kawasaki 1500 Vulcan, my cruiser back then, and using the inexpensive SJCams. Well, since that time, I've upgraded the cameras to GoPros, the Hero 7 Black. And today, on my BMW R1150R, let's jump on the bike, mount some cameras, and go riding. First, a few words about the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The key reason I'm now shooting with the Hero 7 is video stabilization. I want smoother looking action video for my Wheel Stories riding episodes. GoPro calls the feature hyper smooth, like shooting with a gimbal. In this video, we look at an assortment of camera angles and mounting locations. I like to edit between a variety of shots to give my videos a broader range of dimension, more depth, looking more cinematic, to accent the excitement and drama of riding a motorcycle. When saddled up on my BMW Roadster, without the windscreen, my favorite mount location is on the chest with the chesty mount. Strap this thing on and you give your viewers an outstanding POV angle. Point of view, looking directly down the road through the handlebars. This is an essential camera angle in my opinion, providing your shot isn't blocked by a hazy, smudged up or tinted windshield. GoPro offers a well-made chest mount, but you can find these straps produced by other manufacturers at a cheap price. Go online, they're easy to find. Mounting the camera to the helmet is another great option for a POV angle. You'll see that angle featured in many of my videos on Wheel Stories. When attaching cameras to the motorcycle, I use the Pedco Ultra Clamp. It's a simple screw-down clamp with a standard 1/4-inch threaded camera mount that can be adjusted for pan and tilt. For the next example, I've mounted the camera to the luggage rack on the very tail of my bike. Next up, I aim the camera for a rear view angle. I frame the shot with a section of the luggage rack placed in the bottom portion of the screen to add perspective. Today I'm riding on Map Rock Road along the Snake River in southwest Idaho. This is western desert canyon land. Map Rock is a fun route that features gentle curves and some easy plunges and inclines. Best of all, the road is wide open with light traffic, perfect for shooting a riding video. Now, for a dramatic low angle, close to the surface of the road, I mount the camera to the rear foot peg and adjust the shot so you can see my left boot and the left cylinder of my BMW Boxer engine. Now it's time to mount the camera for a selfie, with the Pedco clamp fixed to the handlebar. Sometimes it's fun to play with a few tight shots. For instance, your hand on the controls or the instrument cluster. Be creative. Find some quick close-ups to throw into the edit mix. So now I have a bunch of camera angles, a big variety, a wide assortment to choose from. Once you load it up on your computer, you'll have many options as you start your editing. So some final thoughts. You'll find problems with continuity and screen direction in my videos for sure. Sunlight and shadows pointing in different directions from shot to shot. Why is the river on the left and then all of a sudden on the right? Well, honestly, I don't worry too much about that type of consistency and following that logic. My recommendation is to pick your best angles, your best shots when building a riding sequence. As for the SJCam cameras that I've used in previous videos, don't get me wrong. SJCam produces an excellent camera for the money. I still use them as my backups. They're a terrific value option if you're just getting started with a tight budget. Overall, I'm very pleased with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I'm looking forward to producing more videos with the cameras down the road. Well, that concludes this episode of Wheel Stories. I encourage you to ride safe, especially if you're out shooting video. Until next time, for Wheel Stories, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Happy trails.